Vandag se top stories. Hoekom is mense so kwaai oor die kameelperdjag? Verloof op 37.000 voet. Camps Baai se moordraaisel verdiep en Julius Malema se verhoor weer uitgestel. Goeiemôre. Ons stel af tot by die top storie van die dag en begin by die voorblad storie op vandag se beeld van die Amerikaanse vrou wat hierdie kameelperd onder andere gejag het en nou 'n stortvloed kritiek op sosiale media ontlok. Maar 40% van Netwerk 24 lesers wat vanoggend aan 'n peiling hieroor deelgeneem het, sê hulle sien niks fout hiermee nie. Boonop is kameelperdjag ook wettig en glad nie ongewoon nie. Die professionele jagtersvereniging sê internasionale jagters het in 2013 alleen 260 kameelperde in Suid-Afrika geskiet. En van een voorliefde na ware liefde. Hulle was omtrent 37.000 voet bo Petruswil op 'n vlug van Kaapstad na Johannesburg toe passasiers op 'n stampvol vliegtuig Sondag aand spontaan begin hande klap het na 'n paartjie net daar in die wolke verloof geraak het. Debbie Lemmer en Mervyn Beck kuier al vir 3 jaar oor en weer tussen Johannesburg en Kaapstad, maar blykbaar kom hy nou Johannesburg toe, agter haar aan.
Over the loudspeaker, the air hostess comes on and she says, "This song is dedicated to the lady sitting in row 2F." And they played that Ed Sheeran song. And I thought, oh my God, I'm dying. The air hostess said, "Would Debbie sitting in row 2F please come to the front of the plane?" And there was Mervyn in the galley. He's had tears in his eyes and he said to me, "Will you spend the rest of your life with me?" And I said, "Yes, I will." And then he went down on one knee and he took out the ring and he said to me, "Will you marry me, Shame?" And then he opened the box and he said, "I hope the ring fits." And then he put it on my finger and it did fitted beautifully. And I walked out and I put my hand up with the ring to show everybody, and everybody started to clap and cheer and scream for us. And I actually felt like I was in a movie. I felt like I was part of a movie. It was like, when I woke up this morning, I thought, is this real? Has this actually happened? Was I proposed to at 37,000 feet last night?
En haar lijk is op die vloer van 'n Camps Baai se hotelkamer gevind. Daar's vermoedelik op haar ontlas en 'n vreemde voorwerp is by haar lijk gevind. En dis maar net die begin van die raaiselagtige omstandighede rondom die moord op die Amerikaner Gabriela Cabins Albans. Daar is ook onlangs berig dat die beskuldigde Diego Novella van Guatemala dalk 'n dwelmhandelaar is.
I will be at court personally tomorrow. We were just concerned because, he didn't seem to be particularly well. I'm not in a position to judge his medical condition. I'm waiting feedback from them today. He has been here for a time. So his family are fully aware of what's going on. In fact, I'm having a telephonic consultation with them this afternoon.
And what is his career again?
Well, I'm not going to go into any more details. I think we'll have to just wait and see. He's got certain qualifications and he was here on a holiday visa.
Is the FBI involved in this investigation?
I am not sure.
What is your comment on rumors that your client is part of a drugs cartel?
I don't know where all of this comes from. If I don't have any information in that regard.
En die topstorie vandag, Julius Malema se bedrog, korrupsie, rampokkery en geldwasery saak is alweer uitgestel, die keer tot Dinsdag. Malema het omring deur leiwagte, regsverteenwoordigers en EFF-lede vanoggend met groot fanfare by die Polokwane Hooggeregshof opgedaag. Die saak, wat al sedert 2012 voortsleep, is weer eens uitgestel omdat 'n medebeskuldigde gehospitaliseer is. Die aanklagtes dateer terug na 'n tender ter waarde van R52 miljoen wat na bewering in 2009 onregmatig bekom is deur 'n ingenieursmaatskappy On Point Engineering. Malema is 'n direkteur van die maatskappy. Tweet ons met die topstories in jou omgewing by Netwerk 24 of e-pos nuus by netwerk24.com.